Here's how to fix Xbox app's slow download speed on Windows 10 or 11. If you're downloading a game or app from the Xbox Store and the download speed is unusually slow, there are several solutions you can try. First, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Then select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. At the top, find Real-Time Protection and temporarily turn it off. In some cases, disabling this setting can improve your Xbox download speeds. If your downloads are still slow, open the Start menu again, search for Settings, and open it. From the left side, select Windows Update, then click Advanced Options. Scroll down to Additional Options and select Delivery Optimization. Under Download Options, select Absolute Bandwidth Limit. This can help prevent Windows from limiting your download speed. You can also adjust the upload settings. Make sure the option that limits bandwidth based on a percentage of measured bandwidth is turned off. Then go back and check if the download speed has increased or not. Next, again, open the Settings menu. Select Apps from the left side and open Installed Apps. Use the search box to find Xbox, then click the three dots next to the Xbox app and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Then select Reset and confirm the action. This can help resolve issues affecting the Xbox app without removing your installed games or download progress. Once you've completed these steps, open the Xbox app again and check whether your download speeds have improved. If you're still experiencing slow downloads, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Xbox app as a final solution. This may resolve any remaining issues with the application and improve download performance. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.